Okay guys, so oil change has been performed and we're gonna set maintenance required like for the next schedule up to 10,000 kilometers. So watch the video, enjoy it, follow the steps, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated. Share this video, like, and let me see your comment in the comment section. It's a record center that alarming people with motor vehicle experience in Ghana. So let me see your thumbs up. I really appreciate your support, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, we are going to research maintenance data for Nissan Rogue or new series, and this is how you are going to do it. Okay, so first of all, we are going to use this indicator here to reset it on the screen. So I press here, you can see driver assistant, clock, meter setting, vehicle setting, maintenance. Then I press OK. Okay, tire rotation is okay, order is okay, oil and filter. Okay, this is 5,000. It's not good, so I have to reset it to 3,000. This is 10,000 to 20,000. 3,000. 3,000 is okay. Okay, so I press here reset. Okay, then I can see yes. I press 8, yes, reset. Okay, no warning. So this is how you do it. This is how you have to reset it. Subscribe to this channel, Eric Auto Center, the nation's heartbeat, and don't forget to like our video, share, and put your comment below in the comment box. We will assist you and we take your feedback seriously. Let me see your thumbs up and like. Thanks. We'll see you next time. It's Eric Auto, the nation's mechanic. We tell nothing but the truth of auto enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. See you and meet you in the meantime. Bye bye.